Welcome to Physics 272, Energy and Sustainability. I will be your instructor this term, Dr. Julie Alexander. My email address is here, and I will be monitoring that email address every day, all day until about 9 p.m. So we have a very good textbook that we'll be using this term. Mastering Physics is a mandatory license that goes with the textbook. The textbook itself is not mandatory, but it is an excellent reference. So if you do have access to one, it would be good to have. You can buy your Mastering Physics license at the Camosun College bookstore for $75 Canadian. And I'd recommend that you buy it at the bookstore rather than online, because online I think it's $75 American. In addition to that Mastering Physics license, you will need to buy a notebook, and one that looks like this with the 3 rings is excellent. You will be doing all of your work in that notebook, and you will need to refer to that notebook when I am examining you, and also you will be taking pictures of the work that you do in that notebook. So it's really important that you are organized, you have this notebook, and it's dedicated just to this physics course. The course outline is on D2L. D2L will be our main platform. Everything that you need to do and all the instructions will be on D2L, so please read that course outline. But the important things are how you'll be graded, and here are the breakdown of the grades. You'll notice here it says 2 oral quizzes. You can think of these quizzes as job interviews. So I will be talking to you on Zoom individually twice during the term for about 15 minutes. And during that time, I will ask you to walk me through a physics problem that you've had to do on your assignment. And as you write it down, you'll be able to then just hold up your page to the camera, and I will just give you a grade on the spot. So we'll do that twice during the term, and then we'll see how it goes. We possibly will do that for a final exam for some students. The course is extremely well organized and laid out on D2L. So in addition to the Mastering Physics license, where you'll be doing all of your physics problems, you will have this checklist on D2L to go through. You will have many, many resources, most of which are excellent and have come from the textbook. You will also have videos from me, but I won't be doing great hour-long lecture videos in front of a board. I'll just be doing short videos where I'll be giving you the important equations that you'll need for your assignments. And there are lots of videos that actually come with Mastering Physics that will be extremely useful to you to follow before you attempt your homeworks. So due dates will be Mondays and Thursdays. Every single Monday and Thursday throughout the term, you will have assignments that are due, whether they're pictures of your notebook that you have to submit, whether they're assignments on Mastering Physics that you have to submit, or whether they're concept questions or quizzes. It's all laid out, and it'll be every Monday and Thursday night. Usually it's at 10 p.m., sometimes 10:30, sometimes midnight, depending on how many activities that you have. The entire calendar for the course is laid out on D2L, so you can follow that as need be. So right off the bat, what you need to do before Wednesday, September the 9th, is go onto D2L and do assignment number 1 under the assignments tab, which is simply a questionnaire. I just want to find out a little bit about you, where you are, what kind of computer you have, what kind of setup you have as far as cameras and Zoom and things. You also will need to get your Mastering Physics license, and I'd recommend that you maybe do that before classes start next week, because it may be really busy, and who knows if the college bookstore system will crash or not. So you must make sure that you can log into Mastering Physics, and your first Mastering Physics assignment is due Wednesday night.